If you're experiencing issues with videos not uploading on Loom, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause upload failures. Try resetting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can interfere with uploads. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try uploading the video again. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser. Outdated browsers may have compatibility issues with Loom. Check for updates and install them if necessary. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can conflict with Loom's functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to upload again. Step 5. Restart your device. If the problem persists, try restarting your computer or device. This can resolve temporary glitches and refresh system resources, allowing for a successful upload. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the video upload issue on Loom. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Loom support for further assistance.